We're going to completely tear down this porch and rebuild it all in one video today. We're going to try some longer form content. We're going to throw it all here. We're going to begin with our demolition. We're going to be propping up our slab. We break it out. Then we take our shell bar and we literally remove every step, because you can see this is completely disintegrated porch already anyway. All the old mortar has turned back to sand. All the cinders have turned to basically a stone dust. So this is one of our easier ones to remove. We do everything here by hand, like the Amish. It also upsets a lot of people in the comments, so it's worth it. Then we get out. Once we get completely down, we take our rebar, we cross over, and we pour our platform base. That's 12 inches of solid concrete. Next, we're going to be blocking in entirely this porch. We're going to be laying these CMUs. We're going to be filling these CMUs. Then we're going to be checking plumb, level, and square. We're going to be box squaring it. We're going to be laying every level. Then we're going to be cementing on top. And then we're going to be filling it all the way in to lock all these blocks. We do this faster than a foreman pour. We like this better. Then we pour concrete all the way through the webs, locking the block to block together. Some people say, why don't you use solids? We don't use solids because it adheres better and it's stronger when the cement goes all the way down the pores of the block, the CMUs, the cavities, if you will, and fills them up. Here we are filling. We did the scratch coat. The scratch coat we put on to the new cement block. We then scratch it. The scratching helps the limestone we're going to lay the culture stone, adhere to it. Now it's time to lay our limestone. We have 14-inch treads on the bottom, 10-inch treads around the top. The reason they're 10 on the top is we still have a lip the concrete will sit on the inside platform. The reasons the bottoms are 14 is because we're going to be putting our stones are going to sit on top of these so that no joints are revealed. This is a stacked stone. You don't want any joints to be revealed. So once we put them on, it'll shrink the width of the stone down from 14 to 12. As you can see, it's completely buttoned up. You do our corners first, and then we run in between. They stack on top and next to each other, so no joints are revealed. This is Dutch quality stone. This is Sienna dry stack. There we are popping in our last piece. Each riser, that is the height of the step, is 7.5 inches. It's 7.5 off the sidewalk, 7.5 the next step, the next step, the next step, etc. And then going in the house is 6 inches to the threshold. Now we're pouring our concrete. Our concrete consists of Portland cement. It consists of sand, and it consists of 3/4 clean. There's also fiber mesh in there. It's about 4,000 psi in strength, and it has a fiber mesh that adheres together to take the place of a wire mesh. There's rebar in the slab. Now we're doing a sponge float. The reason for the sponge float is because it is a rough surface. You want it rough for traction. Limestone combined with a sponge floated platform offer excellent traction. You can never salt a porch that is masonry because that will make it break down over time. Salt will eat away at it. Now we're reinstalling the previous existing railings because it's what the homeowner wanted to do. They plan on painting it later on. This was their preference. This is what they want. So we do what they want. They're the ones paying us after all. We drill it so it goes down deeper than the rail, and we suspend the rail above 3 inches above the porch. We then fill so that the cement gets underneath and up into the cavity of the rail, solidifying it and locking it into place. It is a rapid set anchor cement. Then we clean up as we go. We level across rail to rail, and we check that it's done, and here's our finished look. Thanks for watching.